guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? So basically in today's video I'll be talking about the health benefits of your bitter leaf. I'm sure you know that already in the description box and the title. So I'm like starting a kind of series where I'll be talking about different herbs, different plants and its health benefits. So I would love for you guys to look forward to this series of your herbal talks. Okay, so if you haven't joined the family already, what are you still waiting for? Come on, join right now. Click on that subscribe button right now. Also click on that bell close to the subscribe button to get notified on my new video. And I think I'll be making this series every Fridays. I'll be posting some different herbal talks on this particular series every Friday. So make sure you turn your notification bell. You never can tell what I'll talk about, but make sure you look forward to it because this episode, this series of talk of our herbal products is going to be very vital and helpful in your life. Okay, you should try to live a natural and healthy life in 2021. Basically, bitter leaf is what we're dealing with today, the health benefit of bitter leaf. And as you all know, bitter leaf is like basically everywhere around you, especially if you're in Africa or Nigerian. So as a Nigerian, most times we will use bitter leaf to cook our soup. The eastern part of Nigeria, especially the Igbos, use your bitter leaf as a vegetable, while the Yorubas, they use bitter leaf as a medicine. Yeah, bitter leaf is like on an all-rounder medicine because all its parts it's very useful, down to the stem, the root, the leaves, everything, even the bark. It's very useful. One of the first uses of bitter leaf, I'll be telling you guys, that it helps in stomach ache. Yeah, it helps for stomach ache. Very true. You might not know about this, but then I'm telling you now, so now you know. So when you're experiencing stomach pain, all you got to do is just look for your bitter leaf plant. You cut like 4 or 5 bitter leaves, then you squeeze it, like you try to wash it and squeeze out the juice from it into a cup of water, like a half glass cup of water. You squeeze your bitter leaf into it, then you drink. This is a well-known remedy for stomachache, very well known remedy for stomachache. And other alternative you can use for this is to get the stem of the plant and the stem and you chew it and you swallow it. Your number 2 benefits of a bitter leaf is that it helps in skin infection, just such like eczema, your ringworm, cheese, rashes and lots more. All you need to do is just to get your bitter leaf. After getting your bitter leaf, you squeeze, you wash, try to extract the juice from it. After you've gotten the juice, then you apply on the surface of wherever you are affected. It could be your face, it could be your arm, your leg, whatsoever, any part of your body, your back, your chest. Just apply the juice on that part of your body. Notice the itching, the rashes, everything will start fading little by little. Number 3 benefits of your bitter leaf is it helps to drastically reduce sugar level in a lot of people. People that are suffering from diabetes can start drinking bitter leaf. Yeah. All you have to do is to get a handful of your bitter leaf. Yeah, you squeeze out the juice in a jar of water. Yeah, squeeze it in a jar of water, and you take a glass cup of this water 3 times daily, first thing in the morning, afternoon, and also at night for I think 3 months. 3 months, the first 3 months, just continuously just keep on doing this every day. You're going to notice a lot of changes in your body. It can be hard, it might be difficult because bitter leaf is bitter. We all know that it's bitter. That's why it's called bitter leaf, for crying out loud. Number 4 benefits of your bitter leaf, it helps in general body weakness. Yeah, when you are tired, you don't know what to do. It's very simple, guys. Just go to your backyard. If you have bitter leaf in your backyard, just get your bitter leaf, cut it. You can even pound it if you have a mortar. Yeah, drink. So number 5 benefit of your bitter leaf, I'll say it helps loss of memory. Yeah, loss of memory can be a symptom of diabetes or a sickness on its own. Yeah, bitter leaf can help you get a bit of your memory back. Yeah, take 1 glass cup of bitter leaf for at least 3 months. The same procedure you take for diabetes, you use that same procedure for this. At least just keep on taking a glass full of your bitter leaf every morning, afternoon and evening, and your body will get back to itself, okay, by God's grace. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, like the video if it was really helpful to you, subscribe. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Come on, join the family now. Okay, just subscribe to my channel now. Don't forget to tell your friends about this channel. Like, it's the bomb, I know, right? It's definitely that best channel for you. If you are looking for herbal remedy, looking for nature's remedy, whatever solution you want me to provide for you, you can leave a comment down below. Yeah, and I'll tweet about it, I'll talk about it, and I'll look through your comments. Okay, so anything you want me to talk about, definitely leave a comment down below. Yeah, leave a comment down below, and I'll see through it and make sure I create a video around that comment. Okay, I love you all, and I wish you guys a happy new year. See you guys in my next video, and thanks for always watching my channel. So bye guys.